Hi everybody, glad to see you here at Niecy's Closet. You know what we're going to do today? We are going to crochet a flower, and I'm going to use the Mainstays 100% acrylic yarn. The color it's a pink color. Okay. And the color is pink. And it's very easy to make the flower. You can use any number 4 weight yarn, even if it's scrap yarn, because I'm going to use scrap yarn as well, some leftover yarn. But today I'm going to use the pink. And this is very easy, very easy. The first thing we're going to do, leave a long tail. Just leave a long tail. I always like to leave a long tail. You're going to form a loop, and you're going to chain 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The next thing you're going to do, you are going to single crochet in all of the chains, and you should have 28 chains when you're done. And remember how we single crochet. You go into the first chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You see that? Go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Go into the next chain, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. In the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You see how I'm doing it? And just continue doing it until you get to the end of this single crochet row. I'll meet you at the end. I just counted 28 single crochets. So now that I know I have 28, I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn my work. And because I have the 2 chains, it's going to count as a half double crochet. So since I already have 1 half double crochet, I'm going to do 4 more half double crochets in this first stitch right here. 1. Remember how to do the half double crochets. You wrap, you go into the stitch, you pull the yarn through, and you pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. So now I'm going to do 2 more. Wrap, go into the single crochet, pull the yarn through, pull through all 3. So now, including the chain 2, I have 5 half double crochets. Half double crochets. So the next thing we're going to do into the next single crochet, we're going to do a slip stitch. And all you do is pull the yarn all the way through to keep this tight. Now the next single crochet, we're going to do 5 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to slip stitch in the next single crochet. We did a slip stitch. So now you have 2 sets of half double crochets. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to do 5 double crochets in each stitch. And then in the next one, we're going to do a slip stitch, and we're going to do this 5 times. So here we go. In this next single crochet, we're going to do 5 double crochets. And you remember how to do that. You just wrap, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. And we're going to do this double crochet 3 more times. 3, 4, 5. Now that we've done that, we're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to do a slip stitch. So we're going to do this set of double crochets 4 more times. We're going to do it 4 more times. Wrap, go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. And I'm going to do it 4 more times in this stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch. So now we have 2 half doubles, we have 2 doubles, and we got to do it 3 more times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to slip stitch. So now we have 3 sets of double crochets. So now we have to do it 2 more times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I gotta pull some more yarn. Now we're gonna slip stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to do 1 more set of 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now Let's look at this. 2 half double crochets right here, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. Okay, and so after we've done this set of 5, we're going to slip stitch. Okay, now this is the last set of what we're going to do. We're going to do a treble stitch. So what you do is, and I don't think I've had a video showing how to do it, but I'm going to show you now. You wrap around the crochet hook twice. You see that? You see 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is you're going to go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, and then you're going to pull through 2. You see there's 3 left. You're going to pull through 2 again and pull through 2 again. That's how you do the treble. You wrap twice. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, that's right. You wrap twice, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap twice, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You see that? Wrap twice, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We have to do it one more time. Wrap twice, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, so you have 5 treble stitches. You have 5 treble crochets in this one stitch. We're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so we repeat until we get to the last stitch. When you get to the last single crochet here, it should be a slip stitch. So continue until you get to the last 2 stitches. There are 2 stitches remaining. So with your last 2 stitches, I'm doing the last set of the treble crochet stitches. You wrap twice, go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'm going to do it 4 more times. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap twice, go into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap twice, go into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So what? We have 4, so I have to do it one more time. Wrap twice, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. There's 1 stitch, 1 single crochet remaining. We're going to slip stitch right here. All right, we're going to slip stitch. We're going to cut our yarn. I'm going to chain 1 to pull the yarn all the way through, because we're going to fold the flower together. So just to make sure, I want you to understand, there's 2 sets of the half double crochet. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of the double crochet. And in between, remember, we're doing a slip stitch. So you have 2 here, you have 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch. Then remember, with every one, there's a slip stitch. Okay, so we have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doubles, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 treble crochet petals. I'm going to call these petals now. So to put it together, I take this string and make sure it's hanging down. All right. And then I start folding. See how I'm just folding it? Whoops. I'm just folding and folding and folding and folding. You see how I'm doing that? And look, you have a flower. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pull the yarn through the row before so that I can tighten this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull through here. I'm going to pull through here. All right. Then I'm going to go here and pull the yarn through. Because you can do it with the large eye needle as well. And then I'm going to go under here and just find a space. Okay. I'm going to pull the yarn through. There you go. All right. And you have your flower. I'm just going to turn it upside down. And I'm going to tie it in a knot. Okay? And then you have your flower. And you can take this flower and put it on a hat. I would put it on a hat. There'll be other flowers to come, but I just want to show you how to make a rose. What do you think? Very easy, right? Just practice, you know what, do a few single crochet stitches, and then the next row, chain 3, and practice doing the treble crochet, and then do the flower. I'm going to show you how to put it on a stem. I have the material, I just haven't done it yet. I have the floral tape, and I do have the stems. So there will be a tutorial on how to do that as well. But right now, when you make a rose like this or a flower like this, you can make like a plain hat, plain colored hat, and put the rose on the side of the hat, okay? I just wanted to show you how to do a flower. There'll be more flowers to come, but this is just the beginning. So until next time, have a good day. Bye now.